The DMP 7800 Series Keypad. The main keypad screen features an animated interactive shield. This shield is the central focal point for the user. It provides a simple interface to reduce user errors while arming and disarming. Arming is as simple as pressing the shield and choosing the arming options. Once the arming begins, the exit timer screen appears, providing time to exit the premises. Or if staying home, instant arming can be selected. The main screen's animated shield will appear, showing that the system is armed in the home mode. When someone enters the premises, the keyboard screen appears, allowing the user to enter his or her code. If no code is entered, the alarm system is triggered, and the keyboard screen glows a bright red, indicating the alarm. The main screen will also indicate that an alarm has occurred, showing the red animated shield. One press of the shield will take you to the keyboard screen for code entry. Once disarming is complete, the attention list icon remains available to view the list of zones that were triggered. When exiting, one-touch arming is also available. By simply holding down the shield until the animated glow surrounds your finger and then releasing it, the system will arm in the away or all mode. To the right of the main screen is the interactive carousel menu. Like smartphones, the carousel is scrollable and provides the user with quick access to various features of the alarm system. Whether the user wants to turn on or off the chime or needs to access the panic feature, it's all just a tap away. The chime icon lets you know the chime feature is active and when one of the selected zones is faulted. The dealer logo is easily added by using a micro SD memory card. Simply insert it into the slot located on the right side. The dealer logo also provides quick access to dealer contact information for the consumer. On the left side of the screen are real-time animated weather icons displaying the current local weather and temperature and the forecast for tomorrow. Selecting options from the carousel menu gives users the ability to adjust the brightness, tone, and volume of the keypad. Because the keypad is backwards compatible to existing DMP panels, users or installers can always select to use the system like a standard keypad when selected from the carousel menu. The DMP 7800 Series Keypads offers all the same ease of use you expect from DMP, now in an affordable 5-inch touchscreen to provide the rich user interface expected by today's consumers.